Good morning, fourth grade. As you know, this week we have been watching different chemical reactions, and I have been creating different experiments at home, and you have been watching along. I have received some pictures of you guys completing the slime. I received a couple of pictures of the volcano and the lava lamp. Again, remember, you don't have to make these experiments at home. I just would like you to watch the video and then answer the questions at the end, just so you can see how these different chemicals, basic chemicals that we have at home, how when we combine them together can cause different types of reactions. Today we will be completing our final. Today we will be doing one last experiment, and it was one that I received a lot of suggestions when we watched our videos from last week, and it was elephant toothpaste. I was able to create some at home this past weekend, and I will show you how it came out. So today's experiment, what we're going to do is we're gonna make elephant toothpaste. I know that one and slime were the top two people were requesting. And to make elephant toothpaste, what we need, the chemicals that we need are hydrogen peroxide. We need yeast, just something you find like at this grocery store, mixed with warm water. It's already mixed. We need a tablespoon of dish soap, and we'll also need is some food coloring, just to add some coloring to it. So what we want to do first, measure out half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. Now this is important that you ask mom and dad to help you with, just because be safe. See, that's what happened. Take forever to fall. All right, boom. So we're gonna put this half a cup. And we're gonna add just a couple more to make up for without. Then we're going to add food coloring. We're gonna make a green today. We're gonna add like 8 drops of green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's that. All right, next what we want to add is more dish soap. We're gonna add a tablespoon of dish soap. We're gonna fill it up, measure it out to, that's exactly 1 cup, and we're gonna pour it into the bottle. Tap it out. All right. Now, what I have, let's move all the materials out the way. What I have here is yeast. I have a mixture of yeast and warm water. So what yeast is kind of gonna help the hydrogen peroxide, which has a lot of oxygen. It's gonna make the oxygen pop, and we're gonna see what happens when we dump this yeast into it. Oop, there it goes. Doesn't it look like toothpaste? Like a green toothpaste? I also noticed how it's turning white inside the bottle. Now if you touch it, it kind of makes like a foam. But if you also touch the bottle of water, it feels really hot. It started to feel hot. And that is because this chemical reaction not only created foam, but it makes the water bottle hot. Feel it. So that was our elephant toothpaste. I wonder what would happen if next time I use like a bigger bottle, like a soda bottle, and use more of the hydrogen peroxide solution, but that maybe caused a big more elephant toothpaste. But it was really cool watching it, how just those two materials sat at the bottom, those few materials sat at the bottom and then started to foam out. It was different than the volcano, because the volcano had like bubbles, and it was like soda, when a soda like it had like those bubbles. But with the elephant toothpaste, it was much more smooth, and it didn't have like that many bubbles. It just felt it felt like shaving cream. So that was our elephant toothpaste. But just let me know if you can change, if we can do it again. What is one thing that you would change? And remember, you do not have to do it at home. If mom and dad allow you to do it at home, make sure there's an adult watching so that you can be safe.